IPL, BBL is probably one of my best bang for your buck procedures. Most patients have probably heard of IPL or intense pulse light before. What's special about the BBL or broadband light from the makers of Cyton is that BBL has multiple wavelengths that can be interchanged into one handpiece. So it can be very specific to your skin type. For example, other machines have just one handpiece or one wavelength that is specific for pigmentation, but uh, one just isn't good enough. I mean, if I've got a darker skin type, like a type 3 or type 4 Asian or Hispanic skin, I cannot use the same wavelength for them for pigmentation as I use for someone that is a type 1 or 2. I would most likely burn them if I did that. So it gives me the versatility of changing out different wavelengths for specific skin types, thus making it much safer to use, less chances of burning a victim, and also great results as well. Probably some of the best results of an IPL on the market. The IPL BBL treatment is actually very specific for red and brown spots. Basically, photo damage or photo aging. Um, Patients, usually by 40, even by 30 sometimes, they will have a lot of redness or rosacea around their face, a lot of blood vessels appearing at the surface of the skin. IPL is BBL is actually great for treating that. It also treats brown. A lot of pigmentary or surface pigmentation actually uh, is reduced significantly with IPL. What happens is that pigmentation absorbs the light and darkens and becomes almost kind of looks kind of like coffee grounds. And within about a week, 7 to 10 days, they just kind of fall off. Most patients recover from IPL just fine. Uh, they will have a little bit of swelling the next day, but by the second day, they're pretty much back to normal. IPL can be used on any part of the body, not just your face. It can be used on the neck, it can be used on the décolleté or the chest area, it can be used on the arms and shoulders. We get sun damage everywhere, and if you were, a baby boomer and laying out in the sun when you were young, putting on baby oil and butter and iodine or whatever have you, you probably have some sun damage on your skin, and you can correct that very easily with 1, 2 IPL treatments. Um, it's a great way to recapture some of what your skin looks like years ago.